you know, there's a right way of working and a wrong way of working. He also told me there's the Ryan way.
One of the things we've learned over the years that with people on the spectrum, at least with our son and at least with Ryan, they'll do anything in the world, but it's usually on their terms.
My name is Ryan Vincent Menzing. I've been here 5 years.
He will tell you exactly how it should be done.
So I would say Ryan, he's very unique and full of love and happiness. We could tell like when Ryan was about 3 years old or just before that, it seemed like he wasn't progressing with his speech like he should. And sometimes we're like, is Ryan paying attention to us? It doesn't seem like he doesn't hear us. So we saw lots of specialists and we had hearing tests and they diagnosed him with autism.
Ryan's father, Bob, and I were both on the volunteer fire department here in Breeze. And every year, the fire department has a summer outing for the families. And that's how we first got to know Ryan.
Firemen's wives would sit together, and I specifically remember talking to Carrie and talking about Ryan, how he was on the high spectrum, but it was hard for him to find a job that fit his needs. And she said, I want to help, and I think I could have a spot for him. And so thankful that Ron and Carrie made it work for him.
Having a son with autism, it has brought so much joy that I didn't know that I had. So since then, I just want to help other kids. I love these kids. It is truly a blessing. And so I wanted to help them because I wanted to give them a purpose. And when I gave Ryan a shirt and a name tag, it gave him purpose.
Yeah, I was full support, you know, because I knew that we'd be in that same situation, you know, in a few years with our son. We just wanted to pay it forward.
Made me feel very happy because many times Ryan would say, I wish I could be like my brother and sisters. Like he wanted a purpose and he wanted to have things to do like others. But so for myself, I remember talking to Bob about that. Like, you know, I think Carrie said she has a spot for him. So it made us very happy that he could be like all of us that we take for granted, that you just go out and do your job. And for him, it was definitely more difficult.
Yes, yeah, you can't thank them enough. I mean, it's given Ryan an opportunity, and he loves it, and it's just really great.
There's no doubt that when he comes in the room, he brightens the room. I mean, he's the bright spot of our day, for sure, you know, when he's here.
Thankful for the job they gave me. Very generous.